So in some of my past blogs, we're talking about EMFs here and how exactly do these cause issues, how do we measure them, and what can we actually do about it. So today, thanks to some generous people over at Less EMF, we're taking a look at their EMF sensor. So let's go take a look, let's see what it's all about, and we'll test some different things and see what kind of levels and readings we get. Let's go. So this is what they sent me. We're going to take a look. I'm going to read some of the directions in this thing and see if we can get a handle on how we're going to use this and what kind of readings we get. I've got some different ideas on where I want to read this, and we've got some products that they've sent me. We're going to test those out and see what kind of readings before and after we get, and we'll go from there. For all you conspiracy theorists out there and others, so there are some people that use these for other purposes than EMFs. EMFs are a measurable thing. They're real. They're on the wavelength. It just depends on if you want to believe if they're harmful or not. Personally, I'd love to believe that these are not harmful, or EMFs are not harmful. But I just can't say that. These are often used for, and I'm a little bit hesitant to say this because then you're just going to be, yeah, anyway, ghost hunting. Some people use these for ghost hunting. This actually feels like a pretty sturdy, look at it, got little different axes on there. So you could use you know what would be an interesting test is I'm gonna have my wife hide my cell phone in the house. I'm gonna see if I can find it with this. That would be pretty cool. 9-volt battery. I'll be back with the 9-volt battery. Look at that. They include a 9-volt battery. Let's take a look at the instructions. Let's see what we got. Okay. I've skimmed through this. I am not an expert on this. I will figure it out. I gotta read these in more detail, but let's take a little preview. Let's see what we can get just by turning the phone. Wow. Very interesting. This is actually super cool. Okay, so I've turned my phone into airplane mode. And my readings on my phone are gone. Okay, so it looks like as I'm wandering around the house here, depending on where we're at, we've got around, woo, wow. Let's go upstairs. Let's go check out my battery. So let's go to the far end of the house. The far end of the house. I think I recall the EMF experts. They recommend no more than about 50 millivolts or something per whatever. So right now, this is about the farthest corner of my house. I'm at let's say 240. So as we get closer, 500, 600, 700, 9, 1,000. Upstairs. Okay, top of the stairs. We are at, say, about 700. Let's go see what we get closer to the router. Okay, now. Wow, okay. So here we are. I forget what the VM is for. So before we were at 700 VM, so let's say milli whatever. We're now at 10 Vs. Put it right next to the router. 23. Now we're at 30. So we're going to do a little experiment here. And I'm still going to go measure and see distances and things and how they change. So right now, I've got this meter right next to my router. I move it up. Okay. So I'm just going to set it on this little counter right here. So right now we are reading, let's call it 15, okay? We're at 15, whatever their measurement is. And this is not the VM, so this is not the the smaller version. This is the normal V/M, not the MV/M. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my router off. I'm just gonna cut the power to all of this, and we're gonna see what we see. There we go. So again, we're at 15 right now. Power off. Going down and down and down and still going down. But this is a little bit eye-opening here. So we went from 15 VM to now we're at 120 MVM. So I don't know if you can see that. Just kind of jumping around a little bit there, but averaging about 120. That is a huge, huge difference. Okay, so there you have it. Wi-Fi is still off, but this thing is actually super cool. Thank you, lessemf.com, for sending this to me. I'm going to put this to good use. We're going to be testing some things. We're going to see what goes up, what goes down, how good it works, and we're going to do some research on the different products, and we'll get back to you. Stay tuned.